Living positively, living positive, living positively, living positive.
Sanibonani, senamkela nonke kuSiyayinqoba Updated. Uhlelo lwanoma ubani esihlangene naye lapha ukuze sinqobe izingqinamba esibhekene nazo nesandulela ngculazi. Samukela ithimba elisekelayo. Ninjani?
Sinjani?
Namhlanje sikhuluma ngotshwala nezidakamizwa. Nangendlela lokhu kwenza ukuthi iningi lethu lenze izinto eziwubudlapha nezenza ukuthi izithole livele kakhulu ebungozini bokuthola igciwane lesandulela ngculazi. Utshwala nezidakamizwa futhi kungenza abantu ukuthi bangayithathi ngendlela efanelekile imishanguzo yabo. Lokhu kuholele kutheni bangalapheki ngendlela efanelekile. Namhlanje sihanjelwe uMandla Chuma ongumeluleki esikhungweni sokwehlukana nokusetshenziswa kwezidakamizwa eGoli. Siyakwamukela bhuti Mandla, ninjani?
Ngiyaphila sisi, ngiyabonga ukuba nawe namhlanje.
Siyabonga. Ake siye eNtshonalanga Koloni manje sihlangane nowesilisa osemncane othi uphuzo yilo lwamenza ukuthi athole igciwane lesandulela ngculazi.
Akumani bra, namhlanje sekhaya elitsha eside B. Okay, thetha no Elethu Berend nge-substance abuse. Asovini
indaba yotshwala ke ndiqale ngo-97 ukusela utshwala, andithi ukusela kwami utshwala ndisela ndiqhubekeka ndinabangani endihlala nabo esimukulwini sihlale sisele. So kuyo yonke loo nto leyo ndiye ndagula ngo-2005 ndahamba ndotshekisha ekliniki. Xa ndifika ekliniki kwathiwa ndine-TB, kwathiwa kucelwa ke ngoku utshekisha into yoba ingaba ndinaso na isifo sikagawulayo. So baye banditshekisha bandifumanisa okay ndi-positive, bandixela ukuthi ndi-positive. Ndingatsho mna i-HIV ndifumene ngenxa yosela because emveni kwayo yonke le nto uba ndiyaqala utshwala xa sesimukulwini siyeke sifumane namangazana and then sihambe siyolala ngaphandle kwekhondom and then asinalo ixesha lekhondom ndangekabi nayo ne-information ukuthi khondom yabo. Then ndizicela ukuthi mna ndisonde ndisebenzise khondom, ndifuna uya straight. Qala mos i-CD4 count yami yayisithi 247 yayisehla yafumanisa ukuba ibetha ko-90 into ngoku i-CD4 count ngenxa yoba ndiyasela ecaleni, bhizi notywala, ndibhizi ne-treatment ye-TB ngapha. So kwafumanisa into yoba andide ndiphile engxakasana. Ndaqaliswa ke ngoku i-treatment ye-ARVs. Ngoku ndisabisela utywala kodwa nothi ngelaa hlobo lakuqala. Into eyenzeka kuqala kasweleka umkhulu wam ebulawa kwasesi sifo sikagawulayo. Lapho ke ngoku ndiyazama ke ngoku ukuthi mandizilimithe ke ngoku etywaleni, but kodwa ngama-weekends ke yenzeka xa ndikhona apha elokishini ndidibane ne-alcohol ndisela. Xa ndisopa ndiyakwazi mos ndisezingqondweni ke xa ndisopa, so ndikhumbula okay condom sisebenzisa i-condom, but xa sendinxilile ke ndiye ndiyilibale i-condom. Sometimes ifumanisa ukuba okay ichiri akanxilanga uchiri ndimnxile, so ndimcele ukuthi okay xa efuna ukuthi sibe bhizi ne-condom nansi i-condom ayithathe ayifake ngokwakhe apha kubhuti.
But Mandla, I'd like to ask you, can somebody move from abusing alcohol to drinking moderately, or do they just have to quit?
In generally, people who are addicted, they have to quit completely because there is a saying which says, once an addict, always an addict. You cannot shift from being an addict to a moderate drinker. That's practically impossible. So we actually advocate for one to stop completely in order to beat the addiction.
But is it realistic to say that, to advocate that people should stop? You know, there needs to be behavior change, but we also know that alcoholism and substance abuse are so strongly linked to other social ills in our communities, like poverty and unemployment.
Yeah.
So how realistic is it for us to say, because we know that we should stop? I know I shouldn't have a drink on my ARVs, but I do.
And last year, according to Human Rights Commission, last year South Africa is spending 40 billion rand on alcohol.
Oh, that's a lot of money.
The thing is, I'm sure siyabona kunama advert amaningi awotshwala. I'm sure if you drive along N1 from here to Johannesburg, you'll see 1,000 advertisement ngezotshwala. But there are very few advertisement ezizofaka ngokuthi abantu mabayeke utshwala. Ngenxa yokuthi savela sakhula sitshelwa ukuthi utshwala yibo obenza iphathi ibe mnandi, yibo okwenza inhlangano umbuthano wabantu ube mnandi, kulapho esinenkinga khona. So kuzosithatha isikhathi sokuthi sivume ukuthi utshwala bona ngokwabo abulunganga.
Akusizi ukutshela abantu ukuthi bangaphuzi utshwala futhi bangathathi nezidakamizwa. Kepha kumele sabelane ngokuthi ukuxhaphaza utshwala nokuthatha izidakamizwa iyona ndlela esheshayo ongathola ngayo igciwane. Kuphela konke singakusho ukuxwayisa abantu ngobungozi obukhona futhi sikhuthaze labo asebethelelekile ukuthi bathole usizo. Protect yourself, protect others. Zivikele, uvikele nabanye. Bye bye.
Bye.